Most people think success comes from doing more, replying faster, and staying busy all day. But the real skill people are losing is the ability to focus deeply without getting distracted. That is the skill that quietly changes everything. We live in a world where your phone can interrupt you every few seconds. Notifications, short videos, messages, and endless tabs all fight for your attention. And because of that, deep focus has become rare. What deep work means? The book Deep Work is about doing hard, meaningful work without distractions. It says shallow work keeps you busy, but deep work helps you create real value. In other words, not all work is equal. Why this skill matters? If you can focus for long periods, you can learn faster, think better, and produce stronger results. In a distracted world, that ability becomes a major advantage. The people who can stay locked in are usually the ones who build the better things. What is destroying focus? The problem is that most people train their brains to switch tasks all day. They check messages, open social media, jump between tabs, and lose momentum before they even start. That constant switching makes deep thinking harder over time. The hidden cost of distraction. Distraction does not just waste minutes. It breaks your flow, weakens your concentration, and makes difficult work feel heavier than it really is. The more often you interrupt yourself, the more difficult it becomes to do serious work. Why deep work wins? Deep work gives you the kind of progress shallow work cannot. A few hours of focused effort can sometimes beat an entire day of half attention. That is why this skill matters so much in school, work, business, and content creation. Real life example. Think about two people trying to finish the same project. One keeps checking their phone, replying to messages, and losing their place. The other works in a quiet block of time with full focus. The second person usually creates better work in less time. Now, our another topic is how to rebuild this skill. You do not need to become perfect. Start by creating one distraction-free block each day. Turn off notifications, close extra tabs, and give one task your full attention for a set period. Small habits like that rebuild concentration over time. Why this feels hard now? Deep work feels uncomfortable because your brain has trained for quick rewards. Scrolling is easy, focus is harder, but hard things are often where the biggest growth happens. The real message. If most people are losing the skill of deep focus, then learning it gives you an edge. It makes you more valuable, more productive, and harder to replace. That is why this idea matters so much today. The world is becoming noisier, but your attention does not have to disappear with it. If you can protect your focus, you can build better work and better results. And in many ways, that may be the skill that separates ordinary people from exceptional ones. If this video helped you, subscribe for more book lessons.